Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, coding, hacking, and crypto. Please like and subscribe. Welcome to navigating the DeFi universe. Today, we dive into the top DeFi platforms of 2023, exploring how they're revolutionizing finance and how you can be a part of this financial renaissance. Before we dive into the top platforms, let's take a brief look at the history of DeFi platforms. It all started with the birth of Bitcoin, which paved the way for decentralized finance. Since then, DeFi platforms have evolved rapidly, introducing innovative solutions for lending, trading, asset management, and more. They've significantly disrupted the traditional financial industry, offering more transparency, accessibility, and financial freedom. Understanding the history of DeFi platforms gives us a better perspective on their current state and future potential. Now let's start our journey with Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts. As we trace the history of DeFi platforms, it's impossible not to look ahead. The future of DeFi platforms is brimming with potential. We foresee radical advancements in these platforms, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in finance. From more sophisticated lending and trading protocols to improved asset management systems, the future looks bright. These developments could further disrupt the traditional financial industry, providing more transparency and accessibility. This evolution could bring enormous opportunities for individuals, allowing for greater financial autonomy. The future of DeFi platforms is exciting and full of potential, offering numerous opportunities for individuals and the financial industry. Next, we'll explore Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts. First up is Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts. Despite scalability challenges, Ethereum remains a leader in DeFi. Its upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade promises enhanced scalability and reduced environmental impact. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange on Ethereum, has transformed trading with automated liquidity provision. Its Uniswap v3 introduces concentrated liquidity and multiple fee tiers, making it a prime platform for passive income. Aave stands out with its innovative lending protocol, offering flash loans and dynamic interest rates. Aave's growing number of listed assets makes it a platform to watch in 2023. GMX, a derivatives exchange, offers leveraged trading with a unique funding rate mechanism. Its competitive fees make it a promising contender in the DeFi space. Curve Finance revolutionizes stablecoin trading with its low slippage model. Keep an eye on its expansion plans in 2023, which could impact the Curve Governance Token, CRV. Lido Finance introduces a liquid staking solution for Ethereum 2.0, allowing users to earn rewards without locking up assets. It represents a flexible way to participate in Ethereum's proof-of-stake mechanism. Radix, a Layer 1 protocol, is set to rival Ethereum with its Radix engine and Scripto programming language. Watch for Radix Babylon, their upcoming mainnet launch, set to bring significant advances to DeFi. Alex brings DeFi to Bitcoin's blockchain, offering features like token swaps and liquidity farming. Its integration of Bitcoin's security with DeFi innovation makes Alex a platform to watch. As the DeFi ecosystem evolves, platforms like Radix and Alex are reshaping the landscape. They exemplify continuous innovation, offering new opportunities for users and developers. Our exploration of the DeFi universe reveals a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. From Ethereum's extensive network to innovative platforms like Alex, the DeFi world in 2023 is vibrant and full of potential. As we navigate this digital financial frontier, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Let's not forget Pancakeswap, the shining star of the Binance Smart Chain. Serving a delicious menu of DeFi services, Pancakeswap plays a key role in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. From yield farming to lottery tickets, Pancakeswap offers a diverse array of DeFi services for users. Its potential to reshape the DeFi market cannot be underestimated. So if you're exploring the DeFi space, Pancakeswap is a platform you simply must try. Moving on from pancakes to sushi, we have SushiSwap, another deliciously named DeFi platform that serves up a feast of DeFi services. From yield farming to lending, SushiSwap is a veritable buffet of decentralized finance delights. As a key player in the DeFi ecosystem, SushiSwap has a lot on its plate, but it's handling it all with aplomb. With a wide variety of DeFi services, it's carving out a name for itself in the DeFi market. So if you're on the hunt for some DeFi variety, then SushiSwap is a platform you should definitely check out. From sushi to finance, let's dive into Yearn Finance, a yield aggregator that's optimizing earnings in the DeFi space. Yearn Finance is a key player in the DeFi ecosystem, serving as a yield aggregator that allows users to maximize their returns from yield farming. Its automated investment strategies draw from a variety of DeFi protocols to optimize earnings, making it a go-to platform for many DeFi users. With its potential to maximize profits and minimize risks, Yearn Finance is truly revolutionizing the DeFi market. So, if you're aiming for optimized returns in the DeFi space, Yearn Finance should be on your radar.